The bulk profile uploader saves teachers time from having to add students to their class on the web dashboard one by one. First, sign in to your teacher account on the Zapzapmath website. Next, create a new class or select an existing class which you wish to add students to. Select Students in the sidebar. Click on Add Students. In the Add Profile window, select the bulk profile uploader. Select the age of your students from the drop-down list and select Download Template to download the template, which is a spreadsheet file which you can open using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Fill in the template with your students' first names and last name initials. Leave the username and password sections blank if you want them to be automatically generated by Zapzapmath. Once you have finished filling in your students' details, you can then proceed by selecting Attach File and selecting the template you have filled in for uploading. After you have attached the template, you can then select the Create Profiles button, which will generate the student profiles based on the details you have provided in the template, along with a list of usernames and passwords for the students to use to log in on Zapzapmath. You can select Download Login Info above the Add Students button to download the login details of your whole class as a PDF file.